Alright, we're back for the update with the oil filter gasket, housing gasket. As you can tell, let me get y'all another better view right here. She's broke. There you go. You see that in there? Try to pull that out for y'all. If I can get it with this screwdriver. That's kind of hard here. Stand on. I got a little crack in it right down in here, which is the reason why it's leaking. Give me a second here. Get this out of here. Alright. Let this thing focus in. Right there. We got a little crack. Get it right there. You see how it's broke? Right there. See that broke off right there between them two spots? That right there. So we will replace this whole gasket piece, like I showed you before, with the new one right here. So we'll replace that, and that should solve our oil leak problem, you guys. So if you have an oil leak down by your oil filter dripping, you know that's the problem. It happens on most of these vans. When they start to get to about 200,000 miles and up, these O-rings tend to go bad. So there you have it right there. Murray Mini Motors, guys, helping you guys out again. Those who have oil leaks on a Honda Odyssey 2003. Most of the time, that's where your problem would be. Be right there. So there it is, another DIY for you guys, man. Stay tuned, share, comment, subscribe, all that for me. Appreciate it. Peace.